Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had wheat and corn trading lower while soybeans finished up the day higher. They're all currently higher this morning. We had export sales released this morning. They were seen as neutral for the corn market but bullish for soybeans and wheat. So we had that release this morning. We also had unemployment release this morning. Unemployment actually fell to a 4.5-year low at, I believe it was 7.3%. And so unemployment dropped. Non-farm payrolls added 169,000 jobs. That was below the 180,000 that economists were expecting, so it didn't have quite the effect that we would normally see with unemployment rate dropping like it did. So moving forward today and heading into the weekend, it really does remain all about the weather. There's some scattered showers here and there, but most of the Midwest is remaining to a forecast of warm and dry. So we'll see how that plays out over the weekend. We got WASDE coming up next Thursday. We'll have some estimates for you next week as far as what we expect that to come out with, what the USDA should come out with for that. And other than that, it really is all about the weather moving forward. Interesting to see how the trade goes today, just due to the fact that the last two weekends have created such a gap open on Sunday evening. So it'll be interesting to see how that plays out and whether people are wanting to hold positions through the weekend or not, just judging on the gap opens we've had here recently. So we'll see how that plays out. Keep your eye on those weather forecasts and have a great weekend.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.